Hi guys and welcome back. So if you want a quick, easy weeknight meal that will take no time at all and is cheap, you better stay tuned. Okay, so today we are going to make something super simple. It is Mississippi chicken. And we are doing it in the crock pot. So I have 4. It was one of the big packs from Aldi's of the bone-in skin on chicken breast. They're still partially frozen, but I have all of them in my crock pot, no water. And now we're going to add a ranch seasoning packet. Once you get that on there, a stick of butter. And once you have your butter in, last but certainly not least, you want to add porcini mushrooms with some of the liquid, the brine. Now you could add as little or as many as you want. I have about 3/4 of a cup. Sprinkle those, and that's all there is to it. So this is going to go on low for 6 to 8 hours, high for 4 to 6, and then we'll shred the meat, take the bones out, and voila. Okay, so this went for about 8 hours, and it is ready to be shredded. Of course, you could use boneless, skinless chicken breasts or chicken thighs, whatever you want. But a bone-in cut is going to lend so much more flavor, and I'll show you why I need all this flavor, because I make it like a French dip sandwich. You could, of course, just eat this how it is, shred it up, let it soak up the liquid, but I'm going to shred it and then use the liquid as a French dip. So let me show you how I plate it up. So I wanted to show you how I do, like how I eat mine. I have some 0-carb bread bun, or you can use regular bread or bun. And then I shred the chicken, and I always like to have some of these because they're just really good. And then I have some Swiss. I buttered and toasted the bun. And then I just have some of that liquid, just the drippings, just the way it is, in a bowl to use as like a French dip sandwich. Super good. This is a super cheap meal, and it is absolutely amazingly delicious. It is one of my favorites. This and the Mississippi pot roast. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching.